Yeah, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you another practical example of how to take trades with this strategy. And this particular trade is currently running and almost getting to the final TP, which is TP3, and we took this trade in the signal group right here. So if you are yet to join this group, you can click the link in the description of this video to join this signal group. If you look right here, this morning I dropped this particular signal here, and you can see I say let's trade VS75 today guys. We are looking to catch reversal towards the upper side, right? I told them entry soon. So when the entry matured and everything, we made our entry, as you can see right here. So this is VS75. So after the entry, you can see I also updated them how to use the stop loss based on these lines we have here. Sorry, so the lines we have here. Then I also reminded them to apply proper risk management. You can see I go ahead to inform some people, especially beginners, to understand that because you see somebody using 0.5 or 0.001 or 0.1 or anything, like, you should know that VS75 the lowest loss size is 0.001. so from there you'll be able to check out the kind of loss size they're going to be using, so that you won't just go and jump into VS75 with your $100 account with 0.1 or 0.5. You are definitely going to blow that account. So after that, the price started pushing in our favor, and you can see right here we hit our TP1. all right, that's where we hit our TP1. So, and I also updated them to manage the trade properly. I gave them few things in terms of the resistance on 30 minutes time frame, and right here the price keeps spiking up towards our TP2, both on small account and also on a bigger account. Here I scale in more trade because this is a small account. I have to add more trades. As the price is going, I'm adding trades on that account. So also I updated them to break even this trade, all right, or take partials, just to help their psychology, or help trader psychology, help our psychology. So when you are in a trade like this, it's also important to take partials or break even. That will help you hold the trade for a very long time, because I know this trade is going to be a very long trade. So to help your psychology, you need to take partials or break even, so that you won't just go and close with little profit or run out of the trade when the price is still starting to pump or to move, right? So, and after that the price push massively, smash our TP2, as you can see right here. So the price smash our TP2 and start heading to our final TP, which is 2P3. Now we are having a kind of consolidation around this zone, but hopefully the price is definitely going to hit the final TP. If the price started to reverse from here, good and fine. Already we have taken partial. For me, I've taken partials, and also have break even this trade. So this trade is risk free for everybody who is in the channel. All right, so if you are new to this YouTube channel, what you need to do first is to subscribe to this channel, right? Then click the link in the description to join my Telegram channel, where I drop free signals. Also, if you don't have access to Volatility 75, boom and crash, and other synthetic indices, there is a link in the description where you can click to create an account with Deriv. The link is in the description. All right, they are the ones that offers these synthetic indices like boom and crash, step index, volatilities, all right, range break and all that. So you can click the link to register with them, fund the account, and you start. So all you have to do is to share. So I want to share something. I don't want to talk more about this setup. Already I've shared this setup in this channel like 2 or 3 times. So if you are yet to watch the video about the setup, go and check out the previous videos and watch the setup. But if you look right here, let me still let you understand that I still made entry with my setup. First of all, you identify the direction, which you can clearly see without drawing any break of structure, that this price is trending to the downside on 30 minutes time frame, right? So, and when we see a trend, we don't just trade to the direction of the trend based on this strategy, because you don't know when the price is going to be reversing. So instead we wait to catch reversals, right? So now at a point you wanted to see a break of structure, which the previous structure, right, a break of previous structure as well as break of current structure. So now this is the previous structure right here, okay, and we have current structure right here, okay. So you have current structure here, we have previous structure here. So the price quickly break the current structure, and also with this bullish candle right here on 30 minutes time frame, with this bullish candle closes above the previous structure, which gave us that sign. The price have already taken out the previous structure but couldn't close above it, right? So we waited for one candle to close above it before the price started retracing back. So we needed the price to clear a particular low, which is the low of the current structure, right, which most people call inducement. At the same time, we are checking our breaker block, all right, for our entry. So if you look here, we price did exactly what we want, take out this level, which is the inducement, push into our breaker block. So now if you look here, you are not clearly going to be seeing breaker block apart from this one here. So you also have a demand zone for those who trade demand. I love demand so much, I also trade demand. So I rather go to a higher time frame like 1 hour, okay, to check out that our zone, which is this particular candle. That's what we are looking for. This is our breaker block right here. So we mark the high and the low. That's the point we are going to be looking for entry. And because we saw the trend, okay, on 30 minutes time frame, all we have to do is to go down to 5 minutes time frame based on the strategy to make our entry. Then on 5 minutes time frame, what are you going to be looking for? We are looking for reversal patterns. Now if you look, this is the trend, the price, when the price is tracing back to mitigate this level as well as push into our zone, which is the breaker block zone. Now when the price is there, you look closely, we do have a kind of double bottom here, but I don't like that. I can't take this trade because it's 5 minutes time frame, is a small time frame, so a lower time frame, so I can't be taking this kind of double bottom right here. So instead I draw my trend line as the price is tracing back. So I need to wait for a break of trend line and a retest of that trend line. So that's exactly what's happened. The price has to take out this trend line, retest there, then I make my entry. And to be on the safer side, I don't want to set my stop loss very tight this way, all right? If I did, the price could have played out well, but most time it might not go well. So instead I have to look for the recent low and set my stop, and my TP is different levels of this particular trend, right? So that's exactly how I was able to take this trade and drop the signal. If you check on 30 minutes time frames for you to know that whatever I'm saying is what I did. So if you look here, this is the line, the trend line. After the break and retest, you can see the exact point I made my entry, which is here at the retest of that trend line. If you go to the screenshot I sent in the Telegram group, all right, let's go to the first screenshot. You can still see this is the point. This is the point I made my entry. This is the point on 30 minutes time frame. All right, it's the same thing. So that's basically it for this. Don't forget to join this channel, okay, for free signals and updates if you want to follow up with this strategy and my trade. I don't really drop signals there every day for you guys, because some people keep asking me, I thought you say you are dropping signals every day in the Telegram group. There's no way I'll be dropping signals every day because of the markets. All right, if I didn't see my strategy, I won't be trading. So, and I have an idea that I want to share. So from your reaction in this video, I will know if I'm going to do that. So if you want me to start doing live on YouTube, to come live, if I see my setup, instead of me going to Telegram to drop the signal, I can actually come live and we trade together live. All right, everybody sees however the account we are trading and however we are making our entry, manage our trades live, right? If you want me to start doing YouTube live or streaming live, all right, let me know in the comment section. Share this video if you want me to do that, because I cannot be coming live for just maybe 100 persons or even 50. All right, so If you want me to come live, drop the link, drop a comment in the comment section, share this video and like this video. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.